7 a.m. It's the best time to get gasoline at Costco. Top tier also.
Visit the Costco.com website or app, click on locations. If you want to find your local gasoline hours, just click on store details and then click the plus sign on gas station. It'll give you the hours. For example, ours is 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. During the week, 7 a.m. These are the best times to get fuel before 8 a.m. And it'll always be empty at ours for sure. Another example, let's go down to, like for example, Greenville store details. On gas is even cheaper there. And then see there's the same hours. Good luck. If you found this helpful, give me a like and share and subscribe.